this morning, let's talk about the temperatures. They're up a little bit compared to yesterday. More 60s and 50s, and actually I haven't seen any 40s, but 60 in Chula Vista and in Oceanside, about 62 in Kearney Mesa. El Cajon a bit cooler at 54. And those winds will be picking up through the morning. The red arrows pretty much everywhere in the county this morning, indicating those Santa Ana winds. So you can see we're gusting to 25 in Julian, Mountain Laguna at 16, 35 miles per hour in Alpine. And the strongest wind gust we've already seen this morning happened at Sill Hill, just southwest of Julian, 63 miles per hour. And the peak winds haven't even arrived yet. As we track those winds hour by hour, we'll see those winds picking up as we head through the late morning into the afternoon. So just be extra fire safe the next couple of days. You heard Mimi giving you some tips. Definitely just be extra cautious. Don't throw your cigarette butts out the window, and if your car sparks, maybe don't drive it today. The offshore flow will continue through tomorrow, so another chilly night in store for us tonight. Temperatures will be warmer today. In fact, the warmest day of the week, soaring about 5 to 15 degrees above normal for the coast and the valleys, pretty close to normal in our mountains and deserts. And that sea breeze returns on Sunday. That is going to be ushering higher humidity. The marine layer is going to make a comeback, so that means the overnight temperatures won't be quite as chilly as they have been, and the afternoon temperatures won't be quite as warm. We're back into the 70s along our coast on Sunday, staying there into next week. Our inland neighborhoods were in the 80s through the weekend, but low 80s by Sunday. Tomorrow we still may see some 90s for the warmest spots, and then mid to upper 70s next week. We'll start off with morning clouds. We'll clear out to sunshine pretty quickly. Again, those gusty winds, the strongest will be in our foothills, valleys, and mountains. That will continue through the day tomorrow, but the strongest winds will hit today.